A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Monday's trading action at Dalal Street dated February 7th, 2022. Before we start, a recap of Friday's trading session. In Friday's trade, Nifty mostly drifted and the negative takeaway was that the benchmark lost some move traction on the buy side. Amidst ugly overnight leads from Wall Street and most importantly, in a scenario of spiking oil prices, $90.72 per barrel, crude oil's first settlement above the $90 per barrel mark since October 2014, the benchmark Nifty simply wavered and traded sluggish in today's entire session. This Monday morning, there are three negative catalysts revolving around Dalal Street. The price of oil is flirting with the highest level in more than 7 years on ongoing worries about supply disruptions fueled by ongoing political turmoil among major world producers. Please note, so far this year, crude oil prices have already rallied about 20%, and the street suspects that oil prices are likely to surpass $100 per barrel and move towards $110 a barrel on backdrop of strong global demand and especially after last week's attack on a fuel storage facility in the Middle East. Second, in the US, the 10-year Treasury yield jumped to 1.1918 after larger than expected job gain, 10-year yield at highest level since 2019. Yields move inversely to prices and 1 basis point is equal to 0.01%. Third, the US economic data that added 467,000 jobs in January. The hiring was much stronger than originally estimated. The non-farm payroll report cements Federal Reserve's plans to raise rates and, most importantly, end quantitative easing in the coming months. Now here are other key things and themes we need to know before market opens. The Q3 results which were above street expectations. First, State Bank of India reported a 62% year-on-year rise in net profit to Rs 8,431.9 crore for the quarter ended December. A fall in provisions and improvement in asset quality aided the country's largest lender to report its highest ever quarterly profit. Second, Tata Steel reported sharply higher profit at Rs 9,572.67 crore in Q3 FY22 against Rs 3,697.22 crore in Q3 FY21. Revenue jumped to Rs 60,783.11 crore from Rs 41,935.21 crore year-on-year. Third, Interglobe Aviation recorded profit at Rs 129.78 crore in Q3 FY22 against loss of Rs 620.14 crore in Q3 FY21. Revenue jumped to Rs 9,294.77 crore from Rs 4,909.98 crore year-on-year. Fourth, Bank of Baroda reported over twofold jump in its net profit at Rs 2,197 crore in the quarter ended December 2021 on higher net interest income and lower provisions. The bank's net profit was at Rs 1,061 crore in the year-ago period. Technically speaking, the Dalal Street could win only if Nifty is able to move above its biggest hurdles at 17,801 mark. Hence, any risk buying should wait as the bulls will have an upper hand only above 17,807 mark. Technically, Nifty's downside risk should be limited to 17,221 mark. Please note, Nifty's 200-day SMA is still at 16,715 mark. The Nifty options data for February series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 17,000 to 18,000 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 18,000 followed by 17,500 strike price. So the 17,500 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,500 levels followed by 17,000 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,400 and then at 18,500 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,000 and then at 17,300 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 39,000 strike price, while maximum put open interest too at 39,000 strike price. As per Friday's provisional data available on the NSE, FIS sold shares worth Rs 2,268 crores in the Indian equity market. For the month of January, FIS have net sold Rs 41,346 crores. FIs have net sold Rs 7,700 crore worth of shares last week, taking the total outflow to Rs 1.46 lakh crore since October 2021. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like Vedanta, MRPL, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India and Tata Power with an interweek perspective. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.